In this tutorial, I will show you how you can split string in Python. In Python, there is a built-in method split to do the task. So you can easily split any string data using this method. The syntax of the split method is shown here. This will contain the string value that you want to split. Dot split method. First parameter contains the separator. That means based on which character or string you want to split the string data. And max split parameter is optional. It defines the number of parts you want to split the string. The max split parameter, which is optional, that is used to define the limit of words that you want to split. So in the first example, I will show you the simple split operation. Here a string value is taken as text, hello, welcome to Linuxin, and this method this string is printed just before splitting the list after, and next this string is printed just give a message, and here the text dot split is used and no separator and no max limit is used. In that case, it will split the string by default based on space. So the whole string will be split in 4 parts. Hello, welcome to Linuxin. First of all, I will save the file. Okay, now I will run. You can see the splitted words are shown here. In the next example, split string based on comma. Here a string value, any string value will be taken and stored in the variable country, and next the values are splitted based on the separator comma, and here for loop is used to return the value from the variable this country. So the loop will iterate depends on the parts that are splitted on the input string. So now I will save the file, split 2, and if I run it, I can see enter some names of countries using comma. Here you can see the output. 4 values are split. In the next example, split string based on a specific word, not only just character. Here the string is bash and Python and PHP, and here the separator is space and space. So this string will be split into 3 parts: bash, Python and PHP. Split 3, and it is printed like this. I like bash, I like Python, and I like PHP. In the next example, another optional parameter max split is used to limit the number of split. And this is the last example. Here different types of split operation are shown here, and this is the string Jack colon manager colon data company colon email address. So first one, define the employee name, employee post, company name, and employee email address. In the first split, it is using colon as a separator, and it will divide the string in three pairs, and which is printed using for loop. In the second split, again colon is split, but here max split number is 2, and which is also printed using for loop. And in the third split, here the 3 split for 3, colon is used, and here the max split value is 1. And if you see the output, then the concept of max split will be clear. When 3 is used, then it is divided the string in disperse, Jack, manager, Bata company, and Jack email address. And when 2 is used, then it's divided it like this, Jack, manager, and these are taken as one value. And when 1 is used, it is divided into just 2 parts. In this way, you can limit the number of split by using max split argument. Hope after practicing these examples, the operation of split in Python, or how you can split any string in Python based on any particular character or any particular word will be clear. Thank you.